Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dea Nur Hafifah as first presenter in this topic, and the second presenter is my partner is Ananda Mutiara Aulia. Today, we are pleased to present our article entitled Enhancing Critical Thinking Skills and Science Literacy Through STEM-Based Problem Learning in Elementary School, Contribution to SDG 4 and SDG 13. This research explored the activism of STEM-based problem learning in improving elementary student critical thinking skills and science literacy, framing these outcomes as crucial contribution to achieving sustainable development goals for on quality education and SDG 13 on climate action. And the next section can explain by Ananda Mutiara Aulia.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we move into the details of this research, let us show the background that motivated us. The first one is 21st century educational landscape. The paradigm has shifted from rote memorization of facts to the development of higher order thinking skill, especially critical thinking and scientific literacy. International assessments, such as the Program for International Student Assessment, reveal significant deficiencies. The average science score for Indonesian students remains far below the OECD average, indicating that a majority of students have not mastered the basic scientific skills needed for real-life application. As we know, in Indonesia, science learning remains traditional and dominated by memorization, which hinders the development of critical thinking and the ability to relate scientific concepts to real-world contexts. And this is STEM-based problem learning. As a solution for this problem, the integration of STEM and PBL offers an effective framework for fostering 21st century competencies. This model focuses on solving authentic, complex problems, enabling students to utilize skills and knowledge in practical, life-oriented scenarios. It includes critical thinking, science literacy, problem solving, collaboration, and creativity. And the last one is environmental context. For the next session, my partner, Dea Nur Hafifah, will explain the research methodology.
Okay, thank you, Ananda. In this section is about research methodology, about quasi-experiment design. The research employed a quantitative approach using a quasi-experimental method with a pretest and post-test control group design. The participant consists 62 fourth grade elementary school students who were divided into two groups, experiment group and control group. The sampling technique used was purposive sampling, determined based on specific criteria relevant to the study objective. And the result about the statistical significant impact on learning outcomes. The statistically significant difference lower confirm that STEM PBL is a more effective pedagogical approach for improving in student competence compared to conventional methods. Students in the experimental group were actively engaged in all problem stages from design and implementation to the presentation of innovative solution. The next section about the strategic alignment with global sustainable development goals. And the first about the SDG 4 about the quality education. STEM PBL directly supports target 4.7 by promoting 21st century skills, ensuring that education is relevant for addressing sustainable development challenge. And the second, SDG 13, climate action. By focusing on climate change problem, the model trains students to the use science of a tool for understanding and addressing environment issues. And last can explain by Ananda Mutiara Aulia.
Thank you, Dea. From this research, we can conclude that the implementation of STEM PBL transformed science learning into more than a means of understanding the world, but also a means to preserve and improve it. This model relays the synergy between quality education and climate action, creating a generation that is critical, innovative, and deeply concerned about the sustainability of the earth. That's all from us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.